Hey guys, it's Lydia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys what's on my Apple Watch Series 5. Also, before I start this video, the background is a little bit different. That is because I'm in Poland. Again, I'm spending my summer holiday in Poland as always. So I'm obviously not at home, so the background is a little bit different. Almost a year ago, I got my Apple Watch Series 5 for my birthday. And I did an unboxing video, and if you would like to see that, it will be in the eye in the corner right there. The video was quite popular, so I decided to show you guys what's on it since it's almost been a year and I've basically gotten a hang of it, of how to use it. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Apple Watch Series 5. It is the 40mm aluminium rose gold Apple Watch. It's got this basic band. So I don't have a customized lock screen for my Apple Watch. I just have the one that came with the Apple Watch. So I've got Toy Story here, got Woody, Jessie, all of three of them together. My personal favourite. This one. This one. Another colour. The solar system. This one. Butterflies, which you can change which butterfly you want. Flowers, which is very satisfying to see. This one. Rainbow one, which you can just move around and then just jiggles. Minnie Mouse. Paris. Another one of this one, and this one. So I'm just going to leave it on this one, and then when you swipe up you can see all the things. You've got the Wi-Fi, 4G, Find My Phone, so it beeps your phone, how much battery percent it has. You can silence your watch. You can put it on night mode. I don't know what that is. This is the water, so if you have water in your Apple Watch, you can just use that. Spin the crown and then it'll make this buzzing noise to get out the water. I've got torch, airplane mode, walkie-talkie, and I have no idea what that is. And then as you can see on the screen, we have the time, date, my location, the temperature, and what weather it'll be like. I've got this Breathe app here, which I'll explain in a second, activity and heart rate. So now let's get started with what's on my Apple Watch. So this is all the apps that I have. We're just gonna go through the main ones that I'm using, and we're gonna skip the ones I don't even know. So first off, we're gonna start with the calculator app. This is quite useful, especially when I forget my calculator in maths. I can just use this and just, on the go calculations that you need in life. Very useful. Got the weather, so you can check what kind of weather it's going to be like today. You can change it to the percentage of rain and also just the temperature. You've got a locator app where you can it's basically like Google Maps and find my friends or find my phone. This one is pretty cool. This one's good if you're on holiday. So you just speak and then it's translate to any language you want. Basically Google Translate, but on your watch. And then we also have an Ecg app, which I don't use. And I think I'm too young for this. So here is the radio app, but I don't really use it. And then we have the heart rate app, which measures your heart rate. You're resting, you're walking, and just your heart rate. That's right now. Here we have the settings, which you definitely know what that is for. And we also have an alarm, so you can just add an alarm, what time you want it to set it for, and then you just press set. World clocks, because that's always useful to have, and you can add any city. This is the Breathe app I was talking about. You can choose how many minutes you want to breathe, so you can do 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, any sort of minute you want. And this is basically kind of a meditation app. You have to breathe in when the circle gets bigger and then breathe out when the circle gets smaller. So when you're feeling quite anxious, stressed, or you just want some mindfulness, this is the app for that. We have the calendar here, as you can see. My photos, so all of the photos that are on my phone, and you can also take pictures on your watch, so you can use this to take the picture and then it takes the picture on your phone. It needs to be with your phone. It doesn't have a little camera here that you can take a selfie with, unfortunately. I've got a wallet here so I can use Apple Pay, on the go. And this is the walkie-talkie app, but I don't really use it because I don't know many people that have an Apple Watch, and Apple Watches can be quite pricey. Here I have some of my phone phone so I can call people, Spotify, and this is the kind of workout app where you can just select the workout that you want to do, and it's literally got all the workouts you can think of, literally any, and then just measures all of your details like heart rate, steps, and stuff like that. Got my mail, reminders which you can set here. Yeah, add reminder here. Voice memos, love this one because you can record stuff. I've got a stopwatch which I use very often, so when I'm doing my stretching or a workout I can just press start and then can stop it or add a lap and then reset it. Also have a timer, I can set 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can also set a lot more and then you can custom. This one is pretty cool. It measures how many decibels there is to make sure you don't go deaf basically. So right now it's okay when I'm talking, I'm not talking too loudly, but if I start talking louder or if the atmosphere is louder, it will give me a notification and say that long term this can make you deaf. Got messages so I can message people, and this is the activity app, you probably know. Close your rings. Got the app store to download apps. I've got Instagram here, so I've got feed, stories, activity explore page, messages, profile search, tips, and clear. So on home I just can scroll through other people's posts, you know, the people that I follow, which is quite cool. You can also DM people on here, so, and I have no idea what that is, but this is the games app, very cool as well. So here I've got Tic Tac Toe, which I can play when I'm bored. Whoop whoop, I won. And often I don't win, usually it's a draw. Match where you just match the different pictures and you're against the clock, so you need to match all of the pictures in time with the clock, because if you don't then you lose. Whack a bug, within 30 seconds you need to whack a bug as many times as you can and just move to location, as you can see. So sliding blocks, which is a puzzle that you have to rearrange. It's so difficult, haven't completed it yet, very very difficult. Watch and repeat, where you have to watch what they're doing and see this, and then you got to repeat it, and then it gets more complicated each time, you have to remember it. Got Hangman, Sudoku, and 2048, but those three don't work, I'm not sure why. And that is basically everything that's on my Apple Watch. So it's basically like a mini phone on your wrist, because it's got all the essentials that you have on your phone. You can have Instagram, you can play games, you can call people, you can text people, so that's everything on my Apple Watch. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I next post another video. Also, to stay up to date with my life, follow my Instagram, which is @Lidia.gymnast. And also remember, I upload every single Sunday 5 PM GMT/UK time, so if you want a brand new upload, then just come 5 PM GMT time every single Sunday. And also, if you have any more video requests that you would like me to do, then just comment it down below if the comments aren't disabled. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye!